Hello friends, so today we will be discussing how to create a ASP.NET Core 5.0 Web API project using CLI. Right, so let's start. For creating Web API project using for creating Web API project, we have basically two ways, either by using CLI, that is your command language interface, and other option is using your Visual Studio. In this video, we will be discussing in detail how to create Web API project using CLI. So let's go to the folder. Uh, as you can see, I have created one folder with the name of Web API core, and inside that we have one CLI folder, right? So let's go to the command prompt. Now we are in the command prompt, and over here we will be creating Web API project. To create Web API project using CLI, we need to enter .NET new and then press enter. So we can see that it has given many template names, right? And these all are the template names, and these are the short name of all the template, or we can say abbreviations, and these are the language which are supported for creating all these kind of templates, right? If I scroll it down a little bit, you can see for creating web API, you can find over here for creating ASP.NET Core Web API, we need to write web API as a short name to create web API project using CLI, right? So let's create it. For this, we need to type the command .NET new, and now we are going to create web API project. So we need to give web API short name of that template, right? And at this time, if you press enter, it will create a web API project inside the CLI folder, right? But if we want to give a meaningful name to our project, so we can give it by typing name. That is your optional, and then we need to type your project name, right? Let's suppose I'm giving project name my API project, and now pressing the enter. Okay, it is giving error because it is saying name is not a valid option, right? So there was some mistake in the command. We need to type this this way name and then the name of your project, right? Let's suppose we are giving the name of project API project, and now pressing the enter. As we can see, this template has been created successfully. It is executing some background process. Yeah, now it is done. As we can see, uh, some commands were executed, and we can see over here. And now with the name API project is created under the CLI folder, right? So we can see that it is running .NET restore command on API project, right? So our project has been created successfully inside the CLI folder. Now let's go to the CLI folder and let's see our project content, right?